fool.
Yeah, guys, please. Sir, I have the video made that same.
Sir, I wanna meeting के बाद ही मेरे fire कर दे.
Sir, the video there shows that you're telling me to bring this month, and I'm very sure I even called you before I made the purchase.
Where is the video? I cannot see any video. Show me where is the video. Not the video. First of all, you wasted the 4 bloody hours, and now you are showing me that there is a video and I cannot see any video. Do you think I'm blind or what? What? No, just go to your seat and send me your resignation letter. Don't come from tomorrow. Go. You're fired.
Resignation termination.
You are fired. Just give us the things back which you have. The laptop and all the other accessories. Okay? Close the door. Thank you.
You look so happy now, sir.
Happy freedom.
So I think he wanted to be fired.
Yeah.
So nothing happens which you didn't want or wanted that.
But you are supposed to, I mean, he should have reacted when you were fired. Okay, I mean...
I was in a state of shock. I was like, what?
No, you weren't shocked.
But I think that he should not drag someone else in his scenario. Like he dragged Fahad in his scenario.
When somebody is in a heated situation and clearly you are catching him lying. That's what happened. Now what do? He feels bad. He cannot admit it.
I'm embarrassing even further.
So by proving it. So what do? Outcome. You want to positively solve it.
Stop right there.
Stop right there and
Apologize
excuse
and
yourself and leave.
Yes.
I come back later. That's it. You resolved it all. Next scenario. You were promised to have a raise 3 months later. But you don't have a proof. And you are asking for the raise. It's not happening.
Who's going to go
Who
up?
is going to be the boss?
I'm ready to be the boss.
No,
I'm ready to be the boss again.
no, you need somebody else. Who is going to be the boss?
Maybe
No,
Sadia
you
can
got
be
the
the
boss.
boss.
Okay.
And Maru can be the employee.
What?
Poor employee.
Poor employee.
No, the employee should be someone else.
Employee should be someone else.
A boy, for example.
Yeah.
So you are just up for a raise. 3 months is up. And the boss told you, or whoever was employing you, that in 3 months.
You must be very desperate then.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Urdu can. You will just.
अब मैं निकाल
नहीं 3 महीने हो गए तुम्हें काम करते हैं अपने सैलरी बढ़ाने की ट्रिक में कहा गया था 3 महीने में बढ़ेगी सैलरी
तुमसे वादा
बढ़ नहीं
किया
रही
था।
अच्छा।
लेकिन अपना आगे बोलेंगे भाई
होगा जो भी होगा
अभी 1 महीना हुआ
तुमसे वादा किया था कि सैलरी बढ़ा देंगे 3 महीने बाद मगर नहीं बढ़ाई तब
Should I have to be I want to ask Dr. that should I have to be a negative boss or a positive boss?
You do whatever you want.
Okay.
We will give you your feedback.
Okay.
whatever your experience is.
Yeah, you do. You handle it. Handle it whichever way you want to.
अब तो ये लाके बोलना शुरू हो
We
गया।
will learn from it. Either way you do, we will learn from it.
your boss. हाँ.
No, my
बताओ
boss
कि
is
तुम
very
आ जाओ ना।
सैलरी क्यों जरूरी है
I want to be stable.
दो बच्चे क्यों भी गए 4 बच्चे
वालेकुम अस्सलाम बैठिए। क्या हाल है?
ठीक मैंने शायद 3 महीने पहले जॉब पे आया था तो उसके बाद फिर मुझे तनख्वाह सुनी थी कि तनख्वाह मेरी बढ़ेगी तो अभी तक बढ़ी नहीं और आपने कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दिया। मैंने आपको मेल भी की थी।
I have checked your mail, but do you have any proof कि आपकी मैंने वादा किया था during the interview?
मैंने जो भी तीन महीने जो काम किया मैंने आपका उसको पूरा बायोडाटा मैंने उठा के दिया, ये मैंने काम किया है और जाहिर सी बात मुझे चाहिए.
But I'm not satisfied. But I'm not satisfied with your work. Unsatisfied soul. I'm not satisfied with your work. There are a lot of mistakes in your work जो कि justify नहीं करें कि आपकी salary.
mistake की नहीं है.
How can you be so perfect? How can you be so perfect that you? आप कह रहे हैं you have it. I'm not approving it. How can
ये
you?
बॉस लग रहा है.
ये बहुत लग रहा है. There are so many mistakes that I have to decrease your salary, which I can't do it. I have to cut down your salary. That I have to cut down your salary.
बढ़ाने या कम
जी.
नहीं.
Because but ये मैं नहीं कर सकती ना, तो it's better कि work this year on the same salary, next year देखा जाएगा.
3 महीने पहले झूठ कहा था.
झूठ नहीं कहा था. It's the work that you have done.
मैंने
The
तो
work.
किया है, मैंने
The work.
किया है.
I'm not satisfied with the work.
Okay, stop right here, freeze. What is happening? What are they doing?
They're
Are
arguing.
you
They
arguing?
are fighting.
Where is he going?
He's
They are just fighting. They are
He
not saying
insisted that
that.
I'm right.
He's
And
insisting
he's
that
not
I
letting
deserve
you.
an
And then
award.
she's also insisting
She said
that
that
she's
I'm
right.
right.
Okay,
She
now
says
let's
that he
correct
has
it.
underperformed. and he
Let's
does not.
correct it. Let's correct it. Because both of them need an objective base in order to
I
resolve it.
think she is arguing right, but he's
Because I'm saying that your salary should be increased
Now,
according to the performance.
how performance?
Yeah.
So if it's performance, what comes into your brain? Where is my evaluation?
Yeah.
Can I please have a look at my evaluation? It's
Yeah.
public information. So if it hasn't been done on the boss's side, then you will see that she will freeze. And then the next in order to, where is my evaluation?
we got a solid point.
Right?
Yeah.
Because it's this company policy, and if it's in your contract that you are evaluated in 6 months' time, then you bring your contract. And if you are employed without a contract, and it doesn't say it, and you just keep working away, then you know what to do. Get it in writing. Or the other one is have a video of it. And then you can have the solution right here saying that, okay, miss, then let's come to new terms and conditions. Would you willing to tell me all this on a video right now? Because I'm willing to work the next 3 months because it was my fault not to take my video in the very first time when we were talking about terms and conditions and there were no paper. So you just swallow the 3 months down and you say, we start right from there. So may I have my video confirmation from you? This is what it is. Say, Shili. Go ahead. No, say it. Say it. No, I'm telling you. What are you afraid of? We are here to resolve
I have
this.
nothing to say.
But you know what? Because in terms of your boss, he's waiting for you to have a guts to stand there and do this. So when are you going to have the guts to do that?
That's the truth.
So if you don't have the guts to say that, okay, I swallowed down, it was my fault.
I do realize that, and I even see that. And I, just answered one of Sana's questions. She was like, she's too afraid to talk to the boss because she feels she's going to lose the job if she does that. Prove the boss that he's wrong or
Everything has to stay on objectivity level.
what I said in return was that maybe you can be polite and be a little diplomatic in your approach, to be a little more wiser.
But these are the questions to ask.
Send your message across a little diplomatically
Yeah? That's the way.
without offending the boss.
It also depends on the kind of rapport you have with your boss.
Yeah.
We have a rapport training, so some of them knows what to do, and some of them don't. I didn't want to go into that, but having a seat, being on the same level is one of them. If the person is standing and one of them is sitting down, then it's a different kind of scenario altogether. So if one of them is